This is why I'm changing it. It broke right there, and the whole thing is cracked. You can literally hear the parts in there flying around. And this is the new spoiler I installed. It was giving me a little bit of a headache, so I couldn't record doing it, but as you can see, it's not broken anymore and it looks better. It has like a bigger profile from the side, which I like. I think it looks a lot more aggressive than the other one. The other one was a little bit higher from right here, but from the sides here it angled down, so it didn't look too good from the back. But this one is pretty neat.